Hello everyone, let's dive into the Thermaltake View 380TG ARGB in Matcha Green. This mid-tower case is definitely a looker, sporting a dual-chamber design and pillarless tempered glass on both the front and side. The Matcha Green color is unique and refreshing, a departure from the usual black or white cases. Thermaltake has included 4 120mm ARGB fans, which provide excellent airflow and vibrant lighting effects right out of the box. The lighting is customizable, of course, allowing you to sync it with your other ARGB components. One of the standout features is its support for hidden connector motherboards. This allows for super clean cable management, as the main power and other connections are routed behind the motherboard tray. This is a huge plus for those who prioritize aesthetics and want to minimize visible cables. The dual-chamber design separates the motherboard and graphics card from the power supply and storage drives. This improves airflow and makes cable management easier. The tempered glass panels showcase the internal components, making it ideal for showing off your build. The case supports ATX motherboards, providing ample space for high-end components. The build quality is solid, with a combination of tempered glass and metal construction. Thermaltake also offers a 3-year warranty, which is reassuring. Overall, the Thermaltake View 380TG ARGB Matcha Green is a great choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a stylish and functional case. The unique color, excellent airflow, and support for hidden connector motherboards make it a standout option in the mid-tower category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.